Yes, but there again, my people. Manners, big up and respect to each and everyone. Yeah. Alright, my people. So, my call a reason. So, I want to take a look at this video right here. Pay attention to this video. So, this video shows a police officer from within the country of Jamaica. The video shows a piece of paper that some people might call of a good length. Some people might say it's a long piece of paper, depending on what some people consider to be long. As I say. And in the video, when at least one person said the word ticket. Now, my people, based on what we see in the video, and based on some words that I heard at least one person say in the video, I wonder who will get that the piece of paper there, and if somebody cares how much ticket that depend that. You see what I say? Or should I say tickets? My people, let's take a look at the video and then we'll talk some more. And just tell me what you think about this situation. Observe with me.
Bro, watch out, man. You see, man, I get trouble. For the ticket, I reach a ground. Yo. I ground when the ticket, I reach there.
Groceries, such a. I'm passing a stop print yet. You know that
print? Oh, me, that's why I said groceries.
No, sir.
Jesus Christ.
Man, still a print, man. No, sir. Me don't want a ticket here, brother.
None tall.
Right, you don't even stop me, I stop right now and come on your foot. Watch it. Just stream road. I don't them reach. No, sir. I tied him up like. It's a tail list to blow. This have a video, you know. And the man still a video, you know. The man still a print ticket, brother.
Wow. My people. Hey. Kite him off like, with that ticket so long, I don't even want to imagine how much money goodly depend a ticket that long. No, sir. I don't even want to forget this. So, you see me and say, and you know, I say I want into each and every motorist out there, especially the ones them where I drive recklessly on the road. You see, because in my point of view, some of them motorists they love handle the motor vehicle like them think say a fly them want to fly it or them think a kite them operate or something. Well, police have some long piece of paper we call them tickets, well long like kite tails to give some out. We are treating a motor vehicle like you think a kite will fly. So I say take time on the road, drive safely for yourself and for others. You see guys there? Yeah, let me know what you think about that video them people. Saying big up to all of the police officers them, alright? Alright, now I want you to turn your attention to this video that you're looking at right here. Alright? Now this video that I'm about to present to you is going to show some things that happened during a confrontation between a man and police from within the country of Jamaica. The video shows police officers from within the country of Jamaica. And you can hear words being exchanged between the man and police. Yes, I say, no, based on some words that you're about to hear in the video, and based on the situation that you're about to see in the video, I would like you tell me who you think might be right and who you think might be wrong when it comes down to the confrontation between the man and police. Please bear in mind, that the video shows how a police officer made the person leave from out of a business place. So I say, and we just want to look and listen to the video and tell them who you think might be right and who you think might be wrong when it comes down to the confrontation. And viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with my people. Observe. Oh yeah. Hold on. Couple more seconds, some more seconds then if I say, so I say a part of the audio of the video is set away. So I say, hold on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
You are an extra. 1 Jamaican language. I come to fight here. No one Jamaican has so much security. No, I'm very bad. You don't know me by this, brother. I buy me by so much. You can't tell me what to talk. Don't have this, please.
Put them on it equal.
You follow me for the station.
Come on, man.
Sir, what's the name? Don't do that, sir.
Everything good.
Cakap dengan gua nama. Dah gua nama channel serious. Gua. Gua nama. Oh, betul. Jangan dulu. Ayo, I get too much.
Now, you know the thing about it is, viewers, subscribers, me see comments on social media about this video that gave me the understanding that there are persons who didn't like the way the police treat the person. But when me listen to the video carefully, it seems as if there was persons there who did not like the way how the man was behaving. You see me, because in a part of the video, I think I hear when somebody say, foot I'm here, I think either one of them word there about, you know, I'm gonna play about the part of the video. Just listen this part, listen this, observe. So you hear for yourself. Yeah, so in my point of view, maybe some of those persons who made those comments didn't really actually look and listen to the video properly. That's in my point of view. So I say, but based on what me hearing at the video and the situation, let me say, it seems as if there was persons, not everybody, I should say some persons who didn't like the way the man was behaving. But you let me know what you think, alright, so if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. So I got information that a man who is said to be a landlord allegedly told the police that him kill his girlfriend and killed 2 persons who are said to be his tenants. Based on information that I got, it is said that the landlord, who is said to be 54-year-old, suspected to have killed his girlfriend and 2 tenants in Queens, that's within United States of America, on Tuesday. It is said that officials say the victims, who are said to be 2 women, ages 51 and 55, and a 57-year-old man, were found inside the home. It is said that they were pronounced dead at the scene with what appeared to be stab wounds. So allegedly, and it is also believed that the killings of the 2 tenants might have been about rent dispute that dates back to the COVID-19 pandemic time. Although some of the rents appears to have been paid during that time, during subscribers. See? So it is said that police found the 2 tenants in the basement room and the suspect's girlfriend in a bedroom upstairs. At the time when we get the information, it is said that police have searched for the murder weapon and that police are do investigation to determine as to what is the exact cause of the killings. So it is said that the suspect or the landlord go to a police station or go to the police, stating to uniformed police officers that he was having issues with his tenants. The officers inquired further and the male stated further that he did something bad. And back at the house, things was bad for subscribers. So I say, so police did the necessary checks and bodies was found at the house during subscribers. And I say, and of course, police held on to the landlord or the suspect. It is said that a police official say that the suspect will be charged with murder. And authorities said only adults were in the home and there were not any children. The single family home has a finished basement and authorities said it appeared to be well kept. And neighbors said that the landlord and tenants were courteous but often kept to themselves. Feel a way to get information like them type of information. See? So let me know what you think, young people, and here's where I'm going to leave it, you know. Alright, so big up and respect to each and everyone. Big up to all of my viewers and subscribers who keep me posted when it comes down to certain issues and certain information. So I say, you can always contact me, you know, just read the description of each of my videos. You'll be able to find ways to contact me through that. If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.